Ones. 1, 2, 3. 6. Of course, I don't have all the ones in here like we're supposed to. Okay, there's 9 ones. So we got 59. And how many pens do I need for 30?
3.
So that'll be 3 tens, and let's count those together. We ready? We're going to put all the tens together. Now that we know what 59 and 30, how many tens? So let's count the tens.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80.
Now we're going to count the ones. 81,
82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90.
nope, just 89. Good job. So I'm going to write the answer. This one is 89. So we're going to do one more example, and then we're going to do a different activity. Okay, so here's our next number, 37. How many tens is in 37? 3. So let's put our tens. 10, 20, 30. Now how many ones do we have? 7. Is that going to be another 10 block? No, what do we use this time? 1. So we got, let's count to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to plus it to 50. How many tens is in 50? 5. Which blocks do I need to use? The 10 blocks. Let's count that. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So now we got to add these together to find out what the answer to 37 plus 50 is. So let's put our 10 blocks all together, and then we'll add our ones separately. Ready? 10,
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80,
let's count the ones now.
81,
81,
82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87.
So 87 is our answer. How many tens are in 8? 87. 8. And how many ones?
7.
Right, so that's 87. Okay, good job, guys. All right, now we're gonna do a little bit of review on tens and ones really quick, okay? So get your pencils out. We're just gonna use pencils on this one. We'll use our markers in a minute. Just a pencil. That's all you need, one pencil. You're welcome. There you go, Kristen. Here, there we go. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a number on the board, and I want you guys to put it in the right spot on the tens and the ones. So which number's going to be the tens and which number's going to be in the ones, okay? So we're going to split the number up. So let's try 52. Which number do you think is going to go in your tens? The 5. So on this chart, where are we going to put it? Over here or over here?
Over.
This way. So write your 5 right there. And which side are we going to write the ones?
2.
So write that on your chart. Now the next one, I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm going to let you do this all by yourself, okay? I'm going to write a number and then let's see if you guys do it right. Ready? 75. You got to write 1 in the 10 spot. You don't have to use your 2s and air rods. Just know which side's the 10s and which side's the 1s, right? Everybody still knows that?
I don't need those.
Okay.
What was the second one?
What's the second one?
I mean the first.
You mean the 10s?
It's
Okay, we are gonna write this number on your chart. We're gonna put which number is the 10s. You guys know which number the 10s is. You were telling me when I did the document camera. So which number is in the 10 spot?
right. 7.
7. So you know where to put it, right?
2.
And which number is gonna be in the 1 spot?
9.
No, just use your pencils on this one. Just pencils. Okay. Did everyone write their answer? No? Okay. Who's having trouble with this? We're doing 75. Which side is the 10s? Here, let's just do it on the board. Okay. When you have 75, which side is the 10s?
7.
The 7. We're going to say 10s. And which side is the 1?
5.
5. Okay, so every time you have a 2-digit number, this one's going to be the 10 spot, and this one's going to be the 1 spot. That's why it's called 70. Because when you count by 10s, let's count by 10s. Let's count this by 10s. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So it's 75. So let's count the ones now. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Does that help? Okay, let's do one more number. Let's do 36. So what is the 3? Is it a 10 or a 1?
A 10.
10. And what is the 6?
A 1.
It's in the ones. Okay. So when you're going on your little chart here, the 3 is going to be in the what spot?
10.
And the 6 is going to be in what spot?
1.
1. Okay. 3. Okay. Okay, we are going to go on to our next activity to show using keys and air rods. So first, I'm going to give everybody one of these. This is going to be your recording sheet. So we're going to need our, what do you call them, eraser markers?
Mm-hmm. They're expo markers. You can hold it up.
Okay. An expo. Okay, so an expo marker. Because we're going to write on these, which we can erase. we're gonna use those markers. Yes, it is.
I don't know what we did already.
They don't have those ones that have the erasers in them.
They're on their whiteboards. If you want to have them pull them off there, you can.
Because we're gonna have to erase.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you each a bag and you're gonna take 2 out at a time. And you're gonna add them together because they're like having Cuisinart rods on your desk, right? I mean, base 10 blocks on your desk. So you're gonna add them up. You'll add all your tens up and then all your ones up. And then you put your answer in the very first square. And I'll come around and help you with that. Okay, open up your bag and take two of your cards out, okay? So open up your bag and take 2 cards out. Okay, open up your bag and take 2 cards out, okay? Two cards. Only 2 cards now. Take 2 cards out of your bag. Nope, doesn't matter which card, just take 2 cards out. I think there might be a stick there. 2 cards out. You don't want to take very much time taking them out. So kind of just take 2 quickly out. Okay, so what I want you to do is take your 2 cards and lay them out on your desk. Okay, you only need 2, baby. So take, yeah, we don't, it's okay. Just take, there's it. Just take 2 and put the rest back in your bag. Okay, so what you're gonna do is like having your Cuisinart rods on your desk. Your base 10 blocks. I'm sorry, I keep saying that wrong. Okay, I'm gonna take 2 that I have. And, okay, there's 2. So we have 2 of these cards. And what we're gonna do is, you know how we do it on the board and we add all the 10s first? So when it's laying on your desk, you're gonna add the 10s together. So this one, let's try to do this one together. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now we have to add the ones. So 61, 62, 63, 64. So you are going to have this sitting in front of you and you're going to do the same thing. Then you're going to write your answer, which that one was 64. You're going to write the answer right here. The very first box, okay? I'm going to see if you guys can do that real quick. So go ahead and start, and if you need help, we'll help you. You can start with either one. It really doesn't matter because it's like you're laying the Cuisinart rods right in front of you. So you add the 10s, and then you put the ones on the end. Okay? It's okay. Everybody's going to have a different one. That's it.
You did good, actually. You had the same ones I had, didn't you?
That was lucky. Ariel? You didn't. Okay. No, you don't write my answer. That was just an example.
20, 30, 40, 41,
Mm-mm.
42, 40, 30, 20, 30, 40, 40,
So you count these together.
50, 51, 52, 53, 54,
Put the answer right there.
And write your answer.
That's fine, Piper. You can write it in the middle. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah, you can do both if you want to.
What do you do on this?
Yes, very good. Perfect. Add these together. Like you're gonna add all your tens and then your ones. And it'll be one number, okay?
I still have the same one.
So you add.
I had 30 and
Like
then
when you
30.
had tens and your ones on the desk. Right, sweet?
I didn't.
You did good. You did perfect.
And what to do?
Get two more out.
Okay, you ready to do two more?
Yes.
Okay, put these upside down on your desk. Because we're not gonna use those again. And now we're gonna take two more out of our bag. Two more out of the bag. Yeah, so put these upside down. And now you're gonna put your, put these upside down so you don't get confused. Are those two new ones? Or are these your old ones? Okay, good. Okay, now we're gonna do the exact same thing that we just did. We're gonna add up our two cards, starting doing the tens first and then adding the ones. And then we're gonna put the answer in the next box, right there. Good.
I know what to do
Does anyone need any help? Do you need to get two more?
Count that again for me.
Don't worry about it.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63.
There you go. Any help? You did it already. Good job. Okay. Did you add more? No, you're not. It doesn't matter if you want to write it in the little thing at the top or write it right in the middle. It's totally fine which way you do it. So do these two. Either way is totally. Now you gotta count the tens. No. What if you count by tens? Good job. Okay. So what's a 0? 30. No ones. Okay. Has everyone got their second problem done?
I got like a bunch of
You're already doing another one? That's good. Okay. We're gonna do one more out of the bag. One more out of the bag. So put the one you just did upside down again. Well, if you put it in the bag, you might get it mixed up with a new one or an old one. So just leave them on your desk so you don't get those same cards again. Okay?
I did that one.
Okay, so two more cards out. And we're gonna do the exact same thing. Good job, Easton.
Can I do another one?
Okay, did you get two more cards out? You need two new cards? Okay, do these two cards and put them right there.
Can I please do this?
You certainly can.
I want to do all of them. I got the same one.
You got the same one? Well, then you need
No, I
to,
didn't get the same one.
you know, that
The
is,
total has the same
well, it's gonna be the same answer, so let's try two different ones.
we can
Let's put those upside down. Good job. Okay. Anybody need any help? First count the tens first.
I'm doing a good job.
No, you're not.
You're so quiet.
You got 40, now you count the ones.
22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
Okay.
26. Oh, yeah, I do another one.
4, 6.
Okay.
Sure, you definitely can do another one. Okay. Who has finished their third one?
Me.
Everybody?
I have to do the fourth one.
You're working on? Oh,
I'm
we're
done.
done. Good job. Okay, good job. Okay, we're gonna do our last activity, but we're gonna use the same recording sheet, so we're gonna have to wipe this one off. Can they use their little things, or should I give them a wipe? Okay, use your markers that have an eraser on the end of it.
I don't have one. It's the one on the
If not, we can give like a tissue to everybody. It's funny.
He's got a napkin.
Okay. If you have a marker,
What's she coming?
if you have a marker, yes, use that. Okay. So let's quickly erase because we're going to do another activity. Okay, buddy, you're doing awesome. But guess what? You gotta erase that. Okay.
Can I go ahead and do one?
No, we're
I
going
don't
to do
need
something
it.
different. So everyone, the ones we just used, we're not going to use
I
these
don't
cards
need
again.
that. I don't know.
Okay.
So is that something in our center?
That's probably something we can use in our center, I'm sure.
Yeah,
Okay, now I'm going to give you a new bag. So you need to put all of your cards into that bag. No, we're gonna use this again. Okay? We're gonna use the recording sheet one more time.
It's gonna be.
So put all of these cards into your baggie and put them on the corner of your desk, okay? Okay? So all these need to go back in your baggie and put them on the corner of your desk. And then I'm going to give you another one. It's something different.
You want to put this in?
No, just put them on the corner of your desk. It's fine. Thank you for asking. Okay. Okay, here's your new baggie. Now, don't open these yet, because I'm going to tell you something about them. Okay, don't open it yet. Don't open this baggie quite yet. Well, actually, what you can do in the baggie, there's numbers that I put a little clip on, paper clip on. You don't want to separate those. I need you to pull out one of the paper clip papers. There's only two on it, so that's all I want you to have out right now.
First one.
No, there's two. Hold on, listen and I'll tell you this again. Okay, I'll pull one out for you. There is there's two numbers that are super put together, so I need you to only take one of those out. One of them.
Oh, you literally.
It literally has two on it. Oh. No, that's right. It just got twisted. Okay, and then put the other one on the corner of your desk.
I have four.
Okay, listen. There is 4 sets inside your baggie. I only want you to take one set out, okay? One set, that's it. And leave the rest in the baggie, okay?
Yes.
Just take one set out. does everybody understand what I said, I hope? Okay. So how many numbers do you have out on your desk right now?
2.
Good. 2. I'm going to take Easton's. When you take the paper clip off, there should be just 2 of them. Okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to add our numbers up and put them on the recording sheet. But this time we're going to, you can use your twos and air rods for, or your base 10 blocks for this, okay? So if you want to get your baggie of base 10 blocks, that's fine. You can get your baggie of base 10 blocks. Okay, I just need to have 2. Okay, that one. No, they can't go in. Some of these can't go to base because they'll be too big of a number. There we go. Okay, so with your base 10 blocks, you can add your numbers together. I'm going to do one on the board for you guys. So my numbers are going to be different than your numbers, so I'm just showing you how to do it, okay? Okay, so I have a 21 and a 28. So I'm going to do 21 plus 28. So you just put your numbers down, and you're not gonna, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the base 10 blocks. So this is what you're gonna do with your base 10 blocks, okay? So with 21, how many 10s is that? 2 10s. And how many 1s? 1. So there's 21. And then 28, how many 10s is that? 28. How many 10s? 2 10s. Okay. And how many 1s? 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how do we add these together now?
Put them all together, like mix them together.
Yes, we can put the 10s all together, right? And the 1s all together? Well, let's try that. Let's count by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Okay, so is that our answer?
Yes.
Okay, so it's 49. Because we got 8, 9 1s, and we got 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 10s. So 49. So 4 10s and 9 1s. You guys think you can do your problem on your paper like that? Okay. You don't have to, you know what? You don't have to write your, don't write your cards on your paper because it is a small space. What you're going to do is just have them by you so you can make your twos and air rods. I mean your base 10 blocks. Okay? Is everybody, if you don't understand it, tell me, raise your hand. Do you understand what I want you to do? Okay. Okay. Let us try this one more. Okay, so we got, this one is a different number now. Okay, everyone have their 2 numbers on their...
46 or 48?
Everyone put their
46.
2 numbers like this on their desk. Like right next to your sheet, okay? Right here. Okay, we're going to go 46, and we're going to go 23.
Piper, Miss Nat needs you.
So since we have two numbers, we're gonna have to add them together, but we're gonna use our Cuisinart rods because we're not writing the number on the paper, okay? So we're gonna do it by the Cuisinart, by the base 10 block.
But what I'm going to do is
We're gonna write the answer with your marker. Oh, is it not working? His thing's not working. Okay, we'll figure it out. Okay, so let's do it again. Now we're gonna take 46. How many tens is this?